I believe one of the best comedians in India are women. It's a male dominated thing even in comedians.
Okay.
आप देखते हो कि there are lesser female comedians जो बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा famous नहीं है. But still I personally feel कि जो हैं famous they are really good and better than most of the males out there. And जो ये कहते हैं कि लड़कियाँ funny नहीं हैं, उनको दर्द हुआ है.
Nice. Gets me in character. I'm Sakshma and I'm so honored today because I have India's #1 YouTuber on my show today. How cool am I?
That's very cool, but I don't kind of like this intro #1 YouTuber.
Why? But you know, a lot of people call you that. I would want to know how you think of it and how do you react to that?
I don't, पता नहीं, #1 YouTuber seems like.
पर आप हो,
बड़ा
आप
अजीब
चाहो ना
विचित्र
चाहो
लगा।
आप हो, आपने मेरे
Thank
शो
you,
पे
so
आके
sweet.
4
Thank you.
चांद
अरे,
लगा दिए.
Thanks for having me.
Of course, it's my honor. Now, आपका 5वां गाना आया है, if I'm
Yes.
not wrong. So, tell me all about the song. But before that, some lines you have to sing. उसके बिना हम आगे कैसे जा सकते हैं?
Okay, cool. So the song's called बस में,
Yes.
and it goes like. यूं कप कपाते तेरे होठ हैं, कुछ कहते कहते थम से गए, सिरहाने हाथ है कोई तो बात है, टूट रहा है सबर, वैसे तो तेरे दिल से जुड़ा हूँ, कांधे के तेरे दिल पे फिदा हूँ, मन के इरादों से भिड़ा हूँ, नहीं रहना अपने बस में, बस में, बस में, बस में, तू जो नहीं है अपनी हद में.
Really nice, Bhuvan
Wow.
Ma'am. Love that. You know, I have to say, I've watched all of your songs, and your skit videos have these theme to it. They're very funny, quirky, but
Yeah.
your songs are a little on the romantic and subtle
Yes,
side.
yes.
This song maybe is really you, what we see in videos.
Not really.
Not really?
So
Wow.
that romantic zone of me,
Is you.
it's that who I am.
Really?
Yeah.
So Bhuvan Bam is a romantic person. Really? Really? So that's why
Kind
you're
of.
invested.
Yeah.
You're not kidding, right?
I'm not kidding.
You're not kidding.
Yeah.
You know, it takes guts to make the videos that you make, and to, you know, someone who doesn't have, who's not trained in music. So it really takes guts to go out and attempt something like this for the
Yeah.
world to see.
Yeah.
Where do you get that from?
When I do shows, this is the only thing which is missing in my set list.
Okay.
A dancing number. For that I need to sing cover songs.
Yeah, किसी
तो
और
मुझे
का
हाँ तो किसी और का तो मैंने कहा अपने गानों पे उछलती पब्लिक
अलग ही
ज़्यादा
बात
अच्छी
होती है.
ज़्यादा
That's
अच्छी
so
लगेगी.
true. That's
So
true.
that's why we came up with this concept of बस में, and it's kind of, it has a club feel to it,
Yeah.
and it's quite different from what I've done.
Yeah, I
in
can
the past.
imagine people dancing to it in a
Yeah,
party and everything.
yeah.
I was also analyzing your YouTube channel, and you know what I've noticed? Okay, first thing, why is it called BB Key Wines? Because it's a YouTube channel, and Wines is sort of it was a competitive platform. It's not there anymore.
Yeah.
But why is it called BB Key Wines on
Because before YouTube, I
Yeah.
used to post my content on Facebook.
YouTube? Okay.
And Facebook feed में I used to get a lot of wine content. Those big winers who used to make content. तो
Yeah.
वो Facebook feed में आता था. So I thought wine is a new thing. When Facebook asked me कि what do you want to name your page? And I'm like BB Key Wines. देखते हैं चलेगा तो ठीक
And
है.
they didn't have any problem with that.
No.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Also, in this 1 year, your followers, your subscribers, I would say, because it's YouTube, have grown. They've doubled. 6 million से 12 पे चले गए. What do you think that you did, which connected so well with the followers or with the people who are loyal to your channel?
I don't think I did anything special. I just
Okay.
stayed dedicated towards my craft.
Yeah.
I don't believe in experimenting at such an early stage.
You don't believe in
Yeah.
experimenting.
In such an early stage.
Okay.
Because I did Plus Minus, a short film. So that was the big step I could take,
Okay.
doing a short film with a proper production team, production camera, a
Yeah,
set.
yeah.
And then I do music videos which are well produced. So BB Key Wines is something, उसका एसेंस ही वही है कि रॉ हाथ में फ़ोन पकड़ के शूटिंग तो वही कंटिन्यू करना है आगे भी.
You know, I have to say, your videos, you're just holding the phone or the
Yeah.
camera and you're recording.
Yeah.
And लोग हैं जिनका पूरा budget होता है, sound set होता है, costumes, makeup, but still you manage to get more views than them.
Yeah.
That is an achievement. What do you think what is that X factor? There has to be something.
I think it's how people resonate to your
Connect
content.
with you?
Yeah. Because if I show a mother cribbing कि तेरे को मैंने डिब्बा दिया था, तू बाहर गया, तू डिब्बा छोड़ाया. मतलब माँ ये नहीं पूछ रही बेटा तू कैसा है, माँ पूछ रही मेरा डिब्बा कहाँ है.
Yes.
तो दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंस
We all
इन आवर
have
हाउसेस.
seen those days.
तुम पानी की बोतलें नहीं भर रहे, तुम बड़े हो गए क्या बहुत ज़्यादा? ये धर्मशाला है, ये घर है कि धर्मशाला है? तो ये सुन के हम सारे बड़े हुए हैं, एंड दिस इज
Incidents that happens in everybody's
एग्जैक्टली
life.
एग्जैक्टली.
You're
तो
right,
आप
you're
उसको प्रोफेशनल कैमरा से शूट करो, आप उसको कैसे भी शूट करो, अगर आप सही रिलेटेबल चीज़ पोर्ट्रे करोगे, देन आई थिंक इट विल वर्क.
True. और बहुत सारे यूट्यूबर्स ये भी बोलते हैं कि there's a dilemma जब हम इतने वीडियोस बनाते हैं because you've made so many videos which are watched so much, कहीं कहीं हम समझने लगते हैं क्या कंटेंट काम कर रहा है. So we get stuck between what we really want to make and what might work and get better views. Did you
Yeah.
ever feel stuck between the two of them?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah. Most of the times I've done content which I think people would like,
Okay.
but it didn't work.
It didn't work.
Yeah, one of my best works according to me,
Hmm.
it didn't click with the people.
Really?
Then I realized, oh, you can't please everyone.
That's true. You
Yeah.
can't please everybody.
Then you realize कि dude, this is not a fixed mantra कि यही करो यही चलेगा.
Hmm.
You never know लोगों का psyche क्या है उस time पे. People are not in the mood to watch that content, that
So
kind
you
of a
mean
piece.
a same video can be released at a very different time and may work
Yep.
beautifully.
Yep.
And it can be a complete disaster if it's
Yeah.
on the wrong
Even
time.
the timing matters. आप दिन के किस time में डालते हो video.
Really? तो बहुत पढ़ना पड़ता होगा analytics and everything, right?
Analytics नहीं.
Hmm.
For me especially, I rarely check my analytics.
Okay.
I just see the comments.
Really?
कि what's happening in the comments. Either they like it or they don't. Thanks to
कितने लोग
YouTube.
तो गालियाँ देते हैं. Judges ever like
मजा आता है.
discourage you? मजा आता है.
मज़ा आता है, मज़ा आता है. आपको एक होता है criticism.
हाँ. Constructive. हाँ.
हाँ. I liked your video, but I think script could have been better. I liked it. वो कैमरा में joke आया बीच में unnecessary joke. I didn't like it.
Okay.
You take that as a criticism and you like ठीक है इसको काम
काम
करते हैं.
करेंगे इस पर. Yeah.
You upload a video on YouTube, say an 8-minute video, and in the first 10 seconds of the upload, you get 10 dislikes and मज़ा नहीं आया. अरे भैया तुम्हें क्या मज़ा चाहिए शुरू के 10 सेकंड में? ऐसा क्या मज़ा दूँ मैं?
Okay.
मतलब what are you expecting out of a 8-minute video में तुम 10 सेकंड में शुरू के starting 10 seconds you like मज़ा नहीं आया.
Just be judgmental for
हाँ,
no
तो
reason.
some people have subscribed just to dislike the videos,
Yeah, we have
Which is
those
fun.
people internet पे.
which is fun. But then the bright side is वो 10 हैं, पर उन्हीं 10 सेकंड में 1,000 people have liked it without watching.
Yeah. So you look at the bright
That's
side.
like my bros.
Ah,
That's
really,
fun.
That is fun.
Yeah.
You're right. You know, a lot of people also they say that it's an unrelated question कि लड़कियाँ, especially खूबसूरत लड़कियाँ, कॉमेडी नहीं कर सकती. What do you have to say about that?
ये बहुत ईगो हर्ट हुआ है किसी का तो. किसी का शायद लड़कियों के ग्रुप में किसी लड़के का जोक नहीं चला,
Yes.
इसलिए उसको बेचारे को बर्न हुआ है बहुत, तो इसलिए लोग कहते हैं
But you
कि
really don't believe in it.
I believe one of the best comedians in India are women.
Wow.
Malika
Malika तो.
Malika is too funny. Kaneez
Yes.
Kaneez is too funny. There's so many funny women अपने यहाँ पे जो just cause it's a male dominated thing even in comedians.
Okay.
आप देखते हो कि there are lesser female comedians जो बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा famous नहीं है, but still I personally feel कि जो हैं famous they are really 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 good and
Really
better than
funny.
most of the males out there.
Okay.
And जो ये कहते हैं कि लड़कियाँ funny नहीं हैं, उनको दर्द हुआ है.
That's very interesting. You know, you think that women maybe are even better than.
They are better. क्योंकि हमारे पास लड़कों के पास बात, वो कहते हैं कि लड़कियों के पास बात करने के लिए क्या है कि लड़कों ने हमें ये बोला and they talk about sexism and they bash men. तो लड़के भी तो ये करते हैं.
Wow. Do we
मेरी-
have a feminist in the
मेरी
house?
नहीं मतलब not, आप देखते हो ना most of the comedians उनका यही रहता है कि मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड ने आज मुझे ये बोला, मेरी बीवी ने, अरे
Right.
हम ये सारे शो देख के बड़े हुए
I
हैं ना
noticed. Yes.
कि
Yes.
पति पत्नी जोक्स,
Yes.
हम ये तो देख के बड़े हुए हैं, तो वो तो चलता ही आ रहा है. अब कोई
पति
और
पत्नी,
बोल रहा
आधी
है,
घरवाली, all of that.
हाँ, अब
True. So true.
अब कोई ऑपोजिट जेंडर का ये बात कर रहा है तो लागली.
मतलब सही में यार. This is very thought provoking and it's great coming from you being one of the,
Yeah.
you know, you say you don't know like that number one wala tag and all that, but fact remains that you, okay, I'll say one of the number one of the people who are on top in Indian YouTube. Who do you think is your biggest competition?
My biggest competition, I would have said that if there would have been a guy or a YouTuber who did characters like me.
Okay.
But I don't think there's anyone who does characters. तो मैं किससे compare करूँ? सबका comedy zone अलग है. सबका there are roasting channels, there are prank channels, there are people who do long skits, there are people who do stand-up comedy. Stand-up मेरा बस की बात नहीं है.
Really?
Stand-up is way out of my league.
Why?
I don't think, यार, to make people laugh on the spot is a
Really? You
it's a
think?
craft.
Okay.
It's a craft. मैं स्टेज पे जाता हूँ मेरे पैर हाथ फूलने लगते हैं. दो मेरा स्टेज प्रेजेंस अच्छा है, मेरा नेचुरली मैं शायद कुछ 2-3 बकवास कर दूँ तो चक्कर आ जाएगा, बट टू परफॉर्म अ 1 hour set is not my cup of
Really?
tea.
I can't believe
And people
this.
often confuse me to be
They do.
a stand-up comedian.
Yes.
They like कुछ जोक सुनाओ, मैंने कहा वाह.
मतलब गैदरिंग्स में तो बोलते ही होंगे एक दो सुना
हाँ,
दो.
बेटा कुछ सुना दो.
वो फिर भी चल वो उसमें भी डर लगता है.
क्या सुनाऊं, है ही नहीं कुछ सुनाने के लिए.
Oh
I
God.
don't have anything. मेरे पास वही वो पुराने राजू श्रीवास्तव, सुनील पाल वाले जोक्स हैं जो मैंने ग्रेट इंडियन लाफर चैलेंज में रटे थे.
But you know, this is very thought-provoking that it's very different. Stand-up
yeah.
is so much different than what you do on
Yeah.
YouTube. It's scripted and you know your punches,
My,
but that's pre-written.
I know what my USP is. I know I can write well.
Okay.
मेरे को अपना जोन पता है. I'm self-aware. But I can't.
Self-awareness is so important.
Yeah, I can't do stand-up.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
That's great. Now we have one segment on the show जिसमें there are only 5 questions.
Okay.
मैं आपको 2 choices दूंगी and you have to pick one. You can't be like
Cool. Okay.
yeah, you have to pick one. So 5. If you have to pick first one between making music or making skit videos on YouTube, what would you pick?
Making skit videos on YouTube.
Yeah, that's more fun
Yeah.
than music.
That's not more fun. That's what I think. What I am right now is because of that.
That's true. Yeah, right. Okay. Which collab was more fun, Superwoman or Amanda Cerny?
So Lily wala collab, it didn't come out
Okay.
because the footage got deleted.
Huh?
Thanks to me.
Are you kidding me?
1 साल पहले I shot with her.
You kidding? It got deleted.
iCloud पे save ही नहीं हुआ.
Are you telling me you went and shot with her and the footage got deleted?
We both were disappointed. अभी मैं फिर गया था.
ऐसे कभी होता है क्या?
मेरे साथ होता है.
तो what was your reaction?
मेरे पास होता है कुछ नहीं है. I was like मैंने confess कर दिया. मैंने उसको बोल दिया मेरा footage delete हो
And
गया.
what did she say?
She like that's the best part about her. She like
Okay.
no worries. Come next time we'll shoot it again. So I went this time.
Oh man! And did you shoot again?
No. Because I had a flight to catch.
Okay.
So we did something for her Instagram.
Okay. This
Yeah.
Insta.
Yeah.
I can't believe this. Aisa, it happens with the best. So if you think you goof up, just come back to this interview. You'll feel better. Next. Would you rather get your next 15 videos demonetized or get a strike on your channel?
Demonetize.
Yeah.
नहीं चाहिए पैसे. Strike मत डालो यार. Strike is.
अभी तक मिली है?
Strike चुपता है क्या?
एक भी strike मिली है?
हाँ मिली है ना. बहुत मिली है. Random लोगों से मिली है. Random जनों से strike मिली है.
Demonetize कर दो, पैसे मत दो, strike नहीं चाहिए.
हाँ.
Next. Whose content do you find better or rather you would find yourself watching?
Yeah.
Ashish Chanchlani or Amit Padana?
Ashish.
Yeah? Why?
Yeah.
More fun?
More fun and I've spent more time with him. I've never met
Okay.
Amit
You
in
never
life.
met him.
Yeah. Ashish के साथ I've spent more time than any other YouTuber.
So
So I
Ashish.
know him in and out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Same thing. Who would you rather watch? Harsh Beniwal or Prajakta Kohli?
Now it's a tough choice. I think Harsh.
Harsh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pretty damn straight there.
Yeah.
But it was a great time talking to you, Bhuvan. You
Thank you
are
so much.
you're so good with conversations, you know.
Thank you.
And also, I have to say, when you watch
And
your
I'm
videos,
boring.
You're not boring.
I
was
am.
just getting to that.
I am.
When you watch your videos, you expect a mad sort of a person.
Yeah.
But when you talk to you, you're so easy to talk to. You know, you talk about sensible stuff, thought-provoking
Also
stuff.
because I am
Because
up
you're-
since 8 a.m.
Oh हाँ, so he just wants to
So
tell me
I'm-
that please
I'm
जल्दी wrap
really-
up करो, मैं 8 बजे से
हाँ,
काम कर रहा हूँ, so please shut up with your bakwas. That's what you're trying to say.
No. But I had fun.
But I have to say it was a very good interview.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for being on my show. I feel
for having me.
cool because the #1 YouTuber is on my show. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All the
Yes,
very best
thank
for
you.
the future.
Thank you.
Thank you.